Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling after checking your credit report? Maybe there's an unfamiliar account listed or an address you don't recognize. It can be a real cause for concern, especially when your credit score is involved. In these situations, knowing how to reach a credit bureau quickly becomes a top priority. Today, we're diving deep into Equifax, one of the 3 major credit reporting agencies in the United States. We'll be specifically focusing on how to contact them by email, a convenient option for many people who prefer written communication. But before we jump in, let's take a quick step back. Why would you even need to contact Equifax in the first place? There are several reasons. Maybe you suspect identity theft and fraudulent activity on your report. Perhaps you identified errors that need correcting, like incorrect credit card balances or accounts you don't own. Equifax can also help you with placing a freeze or alert on your credit report, which adds an extra layer of security. Now that we understand the why behind contacting Equifax, let's get down to the how, specifically, how to reach them through email. For starters, it's important to understand that Equifax doesn't offer general customer service via email for personal inquiries. However, there are specific email addresses designated for different business needs. If you're a consumer with a question or concern, you won't find a generic customer service email address. Equifax encourages resolving most issues directly through their online portal. There, you can dispute errors, request a free credit report, or even manage a credit freeze. However, if you're facing a more specific situation and the online portal doesn't seem like the right fit, there are a few exceptions where email might be an option. For instance, if you're a business customer and need support with your Equifax business products or services, then the email address you'll want to use is cust.serve@equifax.com. Their business customer service team aims to respond to these emails within 24 hours. Another exception applies if you're having trouble accessing your ePort Company administrator account. In this case, you can reach out to customerservice.eportsupport@equifax.com for assistance. Now, while contacting Equifax by email might be limited for personal inquiries, it's important to remember there are other avenues available. Their website offers a wealth of resources and a comprehensive FAQ section that might answer your questions. You can also reach them by phone at 1-888-EQUIFAX 1-888-378-4329 during their call center hours. Here are some key takeaways to remember. For most personal inquiries, contacting Equifax by phone or using their online portal is the recommended approach. Equifax offers email support for specific business needs and ePort administrator issues. Their website is a valuable resource for information and self-service options. By understanding these options, you'll be well equipped to navigate any situation that requires contacting Equifax. Remember, staying on top of your credit report is crucial for maintaining good financial health. So, don't hesitate to reach out to Equifax if you have concerns. Just be sure to choose the most appropriate method based on your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.